Jordy, thank you for the hair. I love it. It makes me feel like I'm old school Ozzy Osbourne. I just got off that crazy train and I'm bucking at the moon. Ha 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 ha. Ow!
Hey guys, what's happening? Hope you're all enjoying the summer there. So, anyways, today in the mail I got from my good friend Neal and his wife Lisa from Southpaw Carvings. They sent me this juniper wood because they know Eastern red cedar, juniper, same thing, I guess, what people say. They sent me this beautiful box of this beautiful wood. So here's their card, Southpaw Carvings. Thanks, Neal. I love this stuff and I love the smell of it. We don't get, it's nearly impossible to get this stuff around here, so it's awesome. I love your cards too. That's a cool wood spirit in the back there. You can see it there? Very cool. So anyways, I've already carved this. I carved this in about 20 minutes. A simple carving, guys. And I'm going to do a step-by-step. I'll do a talk through when I do this carving here. I'm going to carve this one. This is the best point to carve on, guys, for the real beginner carvers wanting to carve a wood spirit. I'm going to carve a real basic wood spirit. And this is when you got a point like this, it's easiest to make the nose pop out. And you already got the face of the shape. You can make it round like this guy. This guy was a point too. So I just took it down a bit. See how far the nose sticks out? This is the best shape to do when you're beginning to do faces, guys. Especially wood spirits or whatever kind of face. So anyways, thanks again, Neal and Lisa. I love the stuff. So check them out too. They got Southpaw Carvings on Facebook, and they got it on Facebook. I don't know if Neal's on Instagram or not, but check their Facebook page out, guys. Super nice people. So let's do a talk through carving this face here. Wood spirit. Simple face, guys. And I'm just going to, for this whole carving, I'm just going to be using my Kutzall Extreme. You can go to the link in the description below. Use the code CFusion. Save yourself 5%. And I'll be using this sander to clean it up too. And that's, if you want to learn how to make these sanders, just look at my description in my playlists. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so this is how I always draw my wood spirits on. There's half your nose and the other half. Try and get both the sides of the nose equal to each other. Same pitch at the nostrils there, like an upside down triangle. Here comes the mustache, the inside mustache. You're going to end up carving the inside mustache out, but that's the pitch. Try and get that the same on both sides, the length and the pitch, the angle. And just draw your lines on straight across. Simple little forehead kind of thing.
Dun 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 dun. Yeah, yeah. Back at the moon.
Now look at your piece and make sure both things are lined up. Start carving. Always carve on the outside of your lines first. Carve your template in. When you carve this nose on the angle, you don't have to carve deep on the side of the nose. Not deep at all. Just makes one pass. And I hit my finger there. But continue to carve. Like I said, carve. Watch this. Watch how this nose pops out. I want to do just a few passes underneath it. And the harder the wood you guys use, take your time because it's harder on your bit. So look at that nose pop out. Now feather back all underneath the nose, the mustache. Take all that away so you don't see a cut mark. Not even a little round bend. Just keep on feathering it away from the nose. And you'll see how much the nose really pops. And that's what I said again before. I'll cut away my inside mustache line. So that inside mustache line is all gone. Now I'm just going around making everything a little bit deeper, carving away my cutting lines. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. Feathering away your cutting lines. Now cutting the eyes in a bit deeper. Always set your piece back, guys, and look at it too. Make sure everything's proportionate, right? Both sides. There I am, just feathering away my cutting lines. That's the one of the most important parts. Getting your mustache raised above, right? Feather. So still feather everything away. I don't even know what I'm saying here. Cutting the eyes a little bit deeper. Okay, so now I'm going to draw my inside mustache line back on. Zoop. Oh, there's my center line. Zoop. There's some inside mustache back on. Now cut deep in there, guys. And I did notice that my bit, my Kutzall bit, sticking too far out from the Dremel. So sooner or later I do stop and loosen it up and put it in tighter, because you don't want to have that bit sticking too far out from your handpiece, or your bearings and your flex shaft where you hold it. Yeah, here we go. I think the bearings can wobble. It's hard on your bit and hard on your flex shaft. You can see it me putting it back in closer there. See? Yeah, that's right. Put it in closer. And you got to cut pretty deep inside the mustache, inside the mouth too. So just, once again, feathering everything away. That's what takes the most time, guys, is feathering it away. Your cut marks. Recutting the mustache in. Going deeper, feathering it away. No, I think I'm cutting the mouth in there. Yeah, there's the bottom lip. And you guys, I'm going to be making a video real soon here about portable dust collector table. All you need is a shop vac, and I'll show you. My buddy Pete, the mad scientist, has a portable table with holes in it, so you just hook up the shop vac to the table, and it can sit on your lap, guys. Even when you're carving outside, it's mint. And everybody, if you're doing power carving, you definitely should have a dust collecting table. Look at all the dust getting sucked under my table, right? It means I'm not breathing it. So here I am again, just feathering everything away. Look how high that nose sticks up. Okay, so here I am now taking the forehead back. So the nose sticks higher than the forehead. Cutting in the forehead. I'm not going too deep on this carving, guys. It's just a quick carving. Cutting the forehead in. Don't get that burr stuck when you guys cut deep, right? Because if it gets stuck, your flex shaft will break. Believe me, I broke another one today on my Dremel 900. That's where you can snap it right there if it gets stuck in there. So here I am feathering the forehead back. Excuse me. Just take your time, slowly cutting it back. See how it's back? Nose is higher now. I think I'm going to be doing the eyebrows now, and yeah. Cutting on the outside of the lines of the eyebrows. Bringing the nose down too. And then feathering those cut lines away into the forehead. So now you have raised eyebrows too. So now we have to split the eyebrows. That's what I'm doing there. Bringing the bridge of the nose lower too. Just feathering everything out, I guess, yeah. Just, make everything proportionate. No weird cut marks or anything. Excuse me, by the way. Cutting the eyes in deeper. No eyeballs on these guys. No eyeballs on these carving guys. Just simple wood spirits. They don't need eyes. Just running around cleaning everything up. Okay, so now I'm going to carve his nostrils in. So you see his nostrils in there, those round things. Cut on the outsides of the lines. Make sure they're both same on both sides. Cut on the outsides of the lines, just thin, not too deep. So cut both so you can see the cuts. Then feather away. And your nostrils will stick out farther. Sometimes it's hard when I'm carving and filming and to remember that I'm filming too, right? So just running around, cleaning everything up, making it look proportionate. Cutting the mouth deeper. Don't know what I was trying to say. Oh yeah, cutting the nostrils in from underneath, up under. Then shape, but I'm giving a little bit of roundness, right? Like normal nostrils do, I guess, whatever. See, cut underneath, and see how they're a bit round there? Just bring the bridge of the nose a little bit lower. Just cleaning up, getting ready to do the beard hairs, I think. Yep, so I'm just doing the beard hairs with this bit too. Just nice and fluid S-lines, guys. Make them flow, not all choppy and, you know, make them all flow with each other. There, I'm trying to carve too fast, so my burr was jumping. But you see how they're all flowing together, cutting into each other? They all blend into each other. Just fix any mistakes that you see. See, it's pretty simple. There's a simple beard. Now doing the mustache. Making them come out, right? From under. Just fixing the mouth there. You guys open your minds when you're doing this stuff, right? Like anything goes. If you want something to be like something a certain way, do it. I keep saying, who gives a shit what anybody thinks? Okay, here I am cutting the hair. Just giving them a quick little blowing in the wind hair thing. Total simple, excuse me. But do whatever you want. Who gives a shit? If the piece looks like junk and you think it looks like an alien or whatever, burn it. I say truthfully though, save your first pieces. Tuck them away in a closet. Pull them out pull them out a year later after you've been carving if you love it. You'll see your improvements. So just cutting the forehead back. Making it look proportionate with the hair. Real simple hair, guys. Just blowing in the wind. Cleaning everything up. Having a look, make sure everything's proportionate. Looks good enough for me. So here I am going to be putting a hole in the back to hang it. This is where you guys can break your Dremels, your flex shaft too, guys. Carving deep in there. Just cleaning up a bit where I'm going to sign it. I guess they say don't sign your piece till you think it's finished. But when is it ever finished? Never. So I sign it when I still know I got that burr on because I'm going to be hooking up my sander in a minute. So what am I doing here? Okay, yeah, I'll be hooking up my sander, I believe. I do have two different Dremels, one for sander, one for carving. But I broke the flex shaft on my 900 today, so I'm just using my 4300 for everything. Got my sander on really slow, guys. Really slow on the foot pedal. If you go super fast, these things will just, those sanding things, the emery cloth ones will just zip away, burn away really fast. And you'll just get that white cloth on there. But you guys, I 1,000,000,000% make yourself one of those sanding flapper things. You will love life a lot better than sitting there hand sanding. I'm telling you right now. If I didn't have this thing, I'd be hand sanding, and I hate it. It's not too bad with this. It works quick. Just make sure you don't sand away your detail, right? So there, it's pretty well almost done. I think I'm going to put a different type of metalworking burr in just to clean out the nose, the nostrils, so you don't see the cut marks from the Kutzall. And am I doing that here? Yeah. Oh, I'm just putting an aluminum burr one in, aluminum cutter, just to clean the little lines up inside the eyes and the nostrils. Aluminum cutting burrs, guys, you can find them. You get like packs of 10 for $20. Just look on eBay. It's cleaning up inside the nostrils, cleaning inside the mouth. And I'm sure I'll be doing the eyes next. And what's going on now? That's it. What did that take me? Like 12 minutes? And that's not super soft wood either, guys. It's soft wood. Cedar's soft, but I don't know. It's harder than the cedar that we have here. Right on. Friggin' right. So, as most of you all know, I got 3 favorite types of wood I love to carve. Well, maybe not love to carve, but 3 types of wood I love. It's yew wood. It's this juniper, or what's it? God, Jesus Christ. Eastern cedar. And cottonwood bark. So this one I was just kind of fooling around with, having a fun time. See, this is a wall hanger. It hangs like that, right? Just straight on the wall, so half a face. But if you look from the side, you can see another face in there. See, so that's from one side. Jeez, let's stand up here. Okay, so there's one side, and if you look from the side view, you can see another face in there. Just screwing around, having a good time. Anyways, Neal. Southpaw Neal. Thanks for these, thanks for the wood, man. You know, it's really generous. You guys, I just wanted to say something. Neal bought that last wind chime that I made. And I just shipped it off to him today, but then I had to pick this up too. He bought that off me because he says he loves my wood spirits, and he loves wind chimes too. So he bought that off me, and he paid me. And also, he gave me this stuff for free, and he even paid the shipping. So what a good guy. He's got a store. Where are you? Again, in Southpaw Carvings at Yahoo. But he's in the States somewhere, like Alabama kind of. I don't know, Neal. I forget. I just mailed your piece today. But anyways, thanks again, Neal. These wood spirits will be coming back to you, so you can sell them at the store. At your store. Well, I might keep this one. I'm going to keep this one for myself. But I'm going to make you some more, okay? Some more of these ones and some wood spirit ones. I'm going to pay the shipping. You can sell at your store. Maybe make some of the profit that you paid back from shipping. So thanks again, Neal, and thanks for watching, guys. I hope hope a real new somebody that wants to adventure in wood carving can find this video and try to carve a wood spirit. Because you guys, the basic outlines for these is it's simple and a total simple theory, and anybody can do it. I'm telling you right now, anybody can do it. Yeah. Burhead.
Oh.